You have no right to scream at me. I can talk to you any goddamn way I want. Really? Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right. Where am I? You're at a hospital. Waiting to get out of my car. Can you get out of my car, please?